Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been ages, but I'm back. So this is my go-to very easy, simple makeup look. If you want to see how I got the look, then keep watching. So the first step I do with my makeup is my brows, and this thing takes forever, so I'll just run through it. So I'm taking my MacBook pencil in brown to line my brows and taking ABH Browgel-Ebony to fill it in. Then to conceal, I'm using my Girl Pro Conceal-Fawn to neaten up the brows and to prime my lids. Next, I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup to set it. So now I'm taking my Morphe Dare to Create palette and I'm using this brown eyeshadow for my crease, above my crease anyway. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to blend it in. Next, I'm taking this darker brown and putting this in my crease just to create a beautiful gradient. Next, I'm taking my ABH Browgel again in Ebony just to line my eyes, and I'll be drawing a little wing and then smudging it out. Just trying to create a brown eyeliner on my eyes. Then I'm going back in with the MacBook pencil in brown to define it more. Then for my lashes, I'm taking a Koko Lashes-Queen B, and for my face primer, I'm using a Tacha silk canvas. I love this primer. It makes my face so freaking soft. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me in 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm using my foundation brush to apply it, which is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. To highlight my face, I'm using the same Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'll be applying it under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And to blend it out, I'm using the Morphe sponge to make sure everything is well blended. I'm not taking it all the way into my hairline. I'm going back in with my foundation brush to make sure there are no demarcations. And then I'm going back in with my Sacha Buttercup to set everywhere I just applied the concealer. And I'm applying the powder at the sides of my mouth just to reduce the appearance of my smile lines. This helps. Next, I'm just dusting off my excess powder. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm using my House of Tara powder to just set the rest of my face. For my under eyes, I'm taking the same color I used, but I'm using just the darkest shade in the palette. That's the one I used for my brows. I'm applying that under my eyes, then going back in with the ABH Brow Gel. And I'm applying that directly under my lashes. And then going back in to make sure everything is well blended. For my mascara, I'm taking the Loreal Telescopic mascara in Carbon Black. And then I'm taking the MacBook pencil again in brown. Everything I'm using this in this video is brown. I just love the brown look on my face. So I used that pencil in my waterline, and now to define my face, I'm using just a darker shade of brown to chisel out my cheekbones. I'm applying it on my forehead, my chin, and my nose. Trying to make sure my nose is well defined. Now for blush, I'm taking this Tara Blusher-Iriawo. I've had this for years. For my highlight, I'm using a Maybelline Master-Chrome in Molten Gold, and I'll be applying this on my cheekbones just above the blush, and my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And I'm applying a little on my Cupid's bow just to give me a cute mouth. For my lips, I'm taking these 3 pencils from Girl. The first one I'll be using is Pecan, which is this orangey color. I'll be applying this at the center of my lips only, and then going in with dark brown, which is the second pencil, using this to line my lips, blend it together, and then going in with the third pencil, which is called Toast. And this, I'm taking it all the way to the corners. I'm using it to really line my lips, and this is the look. I just went back to my eyes to apply a highlighter into my inner tear duct. Then I set my face with the e.l.f. Magic Set. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave your comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.